Alrighty, hi guys. So the BrainPop video isn't loading for a lot of you guys, so I'm just going to play it again on here. I'm going to present my screen so that you guys can see it. You guys need to use this video in order to answer the questions on your States of Matter BrainPop quiz. So I'll have it open as you watch it, but here you go. Here's the short video for you.
Hey everybody, we'll be starting the movie in a second. Moby's just fixing the camera. Hey, be careful not to beep so close to the camera, Moby. It's pretty expensive. Hey, I think you got it. Try zooming out. Whoa, way too far. Zoom back in. Yeah, good job, I guess. Dear Tim and Moby, what makes a gas or a liquid? From Reynolds. Well, gases and liquids are two of the three main states of matter. Right, solid matter is the third main state. Matter is anything that takes up space. It's the material that all the stuff in the universe is made of. All physical matter is composed of tiny particles called atoms. And these atoms behave differently depending on the temperature and pressure of their environment. Hey Moby, can you zoom in on this glass of water? As you can see, water is made up of tiny particles called molecules. Each water molecule is made up of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. At room temperature and at normal atmospheric pressure, these molecules form a liquid. The particles within a liquid are packed pretty close together, but they're not arranged in any kind of rigid structure. In fact, they move around and slide past one another pretty regularly. Liquids have a fixed volume, but they don't have a fixed shape. If you put liquid in a glass, it'll take the shape of a glass. And if you put it in a water pistol, well, it'll be shaped like the inside of a water pistol. Hey, alright, let's say we raise the temperature of the water. If we boil it, it'll change state and become a gas. Zoom in on that steam, Moby. When you increase the temperature of water, you're adding energy to it. The particles get excited. And when that happens, they start moving around a lot faster and get farther and farther away from one another. But the changes in state are only physical. The chemical structure stays the same. Those particles are still regular old water molecules, hydrogen and oxygen. Unlike liquids, gases don't have a fixed volume. They have a tendency to expand, which means they'll fill up any container that you put them in. Yeah, thanks a lot, Moby. Anyway, one more to go. Solids. You're probably already familiar with solid water. We call it ice. Zoom on in here, Moby. When you lower the temperature of water, you're removing energy. As a result, the particles don't move around so much. They're still made of hydrogen and oxygen, but now they're locked into a pretty rigid structure. Solids have a definite shape and a definite volume. Under normal conditions, they look pretty much the same, no matter what container you put them in. Anyway, those are the main states of matter, and they aren't just for water. All matter, from hydrogen to plutonium, can be a solid, liquid, or gas. There are actually a couple of other states of matter too, but they're not as well known. First, there's plasma, an electrically charged gas. Every star in the sky, including the sun, is made up of plasma. So is lightning, for that matter. And the fluorescent light bulbs in your classroom are actually filled with plasma too. Also, there are colloids, which are mixtures that contain 2 separate phases of matter. Butter, gelatin, and paint are all colloids. There's even a state called a Bose-Einstein condensate, named after physicists Satyendra Nath Bose and Albert Einstein. That particular state has to be created in a lab since it occurs at close to absolute zero, or about minus 273 degrees Celsius, the coldest possible temperature in the universe. Anyway, that's all we've got for states of matter. You can turn the camera off now, Moby. Hey, I can't see anything.
Alrighty, so there's the video for that. Use it to take the quiz for the States of Matter BrainPop quiz. You won't be able to log into BrainPop on your own, so make sure you use this. So yeah, hopefully that helps y'all.